Wow, y'all, what's up?
But, alright, so look, I had this pizza plenty of times. It looks nothing like the picture on the box. So, the cheese doesn't really melt. It doesn't taste all that good. I'm gonna just be honest with you. It's gluten-free too, so the crust is like weird. But listen, if you don't feel like cooking and you're hungry as crap like I am almost 100% of the time, this is easy. This is real clutch. It's something you can get at just about any market. I got this from Food Lion. It was $6.99, and you know, it's I don't know. It's a little bit more expensive than the Little Caesars pizza, I guess, and it tastes better than Little Caesars pizza, or at least from what I remember. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Like I said, the cheese don't melt. I'm keeping it real. It's best if you just make it yourself, you know. The pepperoni is pretty good for whatever it is. She's just not even saying that. She just roasted me in her mind. Say what you gotta say.
I'm not saying anything.
Alright, so look. The crust is like pale and hard. But look, I know it seems like I'm roasting it, but it's like decent. It's edible, you know?
It stinks.
It does not stink.
Yes, it does.
That's your breath.
It smells like burnt
Burnt what?
Play-Doh.
She called my pizza burnt Play-Doh. So look, I'm trying to tell you, it's edible. Like I can eat this whole thing. So they sell it like a tombstone style pizza. So you would actually think it's like a big pizza, but this thing is not that big. I polished the whole thing off by myself before plenty of times. You want one bite for the road?
No. And this is ridiculous because he waits until after I finish my food to want to turn the camera
No,
over,
she didn't want to wait. She bought some sushi, some vegan sushi, and she didn't want to wait for me. So mine is still over there in the bag. But I was like, I'm not going to do a video on 6 pieces of sushi.
Vegan sushi. I just bought sushi. Just got sushi.
If you say sushi to some people, they might think you have a freaking dead fish or something.
I don't care what they think. They can ask me a question. They can be like, oh, hey, what kind of sushi did you get? In which I will say, oh, sweet potato roll, cucumber roll. I'm gonna have to put that word in front of everything.
So she decides to get me a weird sushi I've never heard of. What was it called?
It was an ACC roll. It's avocado, asparagus, and cucumber. I thought it would be interesting because he only gets the avocado roll.
Because avocados are boss as hell. Like, I can eat avocados all day. She hates them. But, I mean, they're delicious. You know, you can, it's good fat. It's good stuff.
You're good fat.
Huh?
You're good fat. Bad fat. Good fat.
So I'm just gonna polish this off. How about you? Like just one bite for the road.
Absolutely not.
So
I'm sure that it's great. It looks great. Look at those. Look at that pepperoni. That looks
what does it smell like?
like a nice vegan belt.
Like a vegan belt? It's very thin as well. Ames, what would it take for you to try this?
I'm not trying it. I'm full off my vegan sushi.
See, there you go.
No.
So, I'm trying to get her to make her veggie boil for a video. She's been super antisocial lately. But her veggie boil is like hands down, I can eat it every single day of the week.
Antisocial? I'm literally on my channel.
Subscribe to her channel, by the way.
I just plug myself in there.
She just tried, you know, easy it on in there.
I had to do a plug-in real quick.
Tell the people what you've been up to lately.
Go check out Amy J's Life. My channel, you know. All things Amy J.
What are you doing on your channel?
A little bit of real estate, a little bit of mompreneur vlogs. You know, just typical day in the life of what I do, lifestyle realtor type things.
Okay.
Trying to grow my channel this year, so you know, jump over there and subscribe. There'll be at some point there will be a video that you can enjoy. So you might as well just go ahead and subscribe. It'll be a bunch of different stuff on there.
Like what?
Like they'll see when they go and subscribe.
Okay. Link will be in the description. Maybe. If she tries the pizza, I'll link it in the description.
I will not try the pizza, and he will link it in the description.
I don't know what made her think that. But listen, I'm eating 4 slices. This is good. My other alternative when I'm super lazy is I'll make fries or tater tots or what else do we do on lazy nights?
I don't know. Every night is lazy.
Spaghetti. Her spaghetti is really good, but I can never get her to make it.
I make my spaghetti all the time for the boys. Donnie helps me.
When's the last time you made spaghetti?
Like a couple months ago.
How do you say all the time and then when? A couple of months ago. That don't even make sense.
I make it all the time. Every 3 months.
So she gets mad at me because sometimes I'll like go and make like some meatballs or something like that to go with it. And she's like, I did all this cooking for you and you just gonna be... What?
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
You're lying.
So,
and that's not what we're about to do right now.
Okay, so I'm lying.
Yeah.
I made that up.
100%.
Okay.
What happens is if I make a meal and then he makes a different meal, then I get upset. Because why are you making something different? You might as well have just cooked dinner that night. Okay? Why do 2 people need to cook dinner? That's first of all. Second of all, why would I get mad because you're making vegan meatballs to go inside of the meatless spaghetti that I make? That does not make sense. Get your facts right.
Maybe it was just one time and she's not good with memory like that. But I'm telling you, she got upset.
Why is that anybody's business that my memory isn't good?
I said for that one particular thing.
No, you didn't say that. No, you didn't. See, this is why I have not been on here for a while, because you get on my nerves.
What did I do to you?
You made up a whole lie to these people that I got mad because you made vegan meatballs.
You did. Why would I make it up?
Why did you make it up? That's exactly what I'm asking.
What I got laughed for?
Please ask him, y'all, in his comments, why did you make that up? You and I together, we gotta get down to the bottom of this.
What I got laughed for is all I want to know.
We'll see.
So, we might be going to brunch tomorrow, maybe.
Why is that a maybe?
Because who's going to watch Jackson?
I already set up a babysitter. If I didn't, I would not have announced to Facebook and everybody else that we're going to vegan brunch tomorrow. Okay,
so we're going to brunch. We're going to be recording it. It's going to be vlog style. It's going to be pretty dope. I don't know what the heck she plans on eating. I know what I'm going to eat. What? Like, what are you going to eat?
We'll see. And they'll see when we do a video.
So, we'll try to get this video out a little earlier tomorrow. You might even get 2 videos tomorrow. Who knows?
That'll be fun.
It will be. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Eat grass, not ass. If you are lazy, be sure to get the Daiya Pizza. If you're a new vegan, please don't get it because you will probably not be vegan for much longer because it's really not that good. But it's good enough to get you through the night on those lazy nights.
Tell me when you're done with your endorsement so I can...
This is not a paid promotion. Daiya Cheese don't even bang with me. They're not following me on those social medias like you guys are. What?
So anyway, if you are a new vegan, right, or even a seasoned vegan, make your own pizza. I'm sure it will look, smell, and taste a lot better. I'm not saying that this is not good. I didn't try it. I have no idea. Hubby's saying it's good. I'm sure it's great. But what I'm saying is, I think that you should just, when you're starting out with the whole trying to eat a pizza thing, making it, you've done it before, right? And it turned out really, really good. And that only took you, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, something like that.
Have some fun. Make your own pizza.
I agree. And, yeah. We'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Eat grass and ice. Peace out.
Bye.